How to edit the location for cash pickup or Remitly. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how you can edit the location for cash pickup or Remitly. The first step is to sign in into your account. Once you sign in into your account and you are brought to the home page, at the top part of the screen you can see options like send money, transfer history, refer friends. Just go ahead and click on transfer history. After clicking on transfer history, you'll be brought to the histories page. On this page, you'll see a list of options. All right, you'll see a list of transfers that you have. All right, and the next step is to choose the active transfer you'd like to you edit. Majorly transfer in progress, not the one that has been delivered already. By the time you select the you click on in progress, and then all of the transfers in progress will be displayed. Once it has been displayed, select the one you would like to edit. Click on it and click on edit profile, edit transfer. Then you'll be taken to the edit transfers page. On this page you'll see options. All right, ensure you select the delivery destination, okay, and click on the edit option next to it. Then select the new cash pickup location you'd like to use. Enter or change the recipient details. Then select continue. Then you can now review your changes, select confirm, and then your transfer status will change to updates in progress, and you are good to go. Okay, so this is how you can edit the location for cash pickup or Remitly. Thanks for watching and have a good day.